Hello and welcome friends. I am your teacher Ankit from Aanav Creations welcomes you in a digital marketing season 2. Our today's topic is Google Search Console. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you know, I told you our today's topic is Google Search Console in the digital marketing season 2. So hey, want a great tool to get your websites more traffic? Then this is the video for you. We are going to tell you about a free Google service called Search Console and show you how it can help you and how you can get it set up. So what exactly is Google Search Console for you? Well, it's a service that gives you feedback about how your website is doing in Google search results. It has two primary functions, basically for the digital world. It monitors your performance in Google search results and it also shows how Google sees your site. Say you own a yoga center and your website needs some updating. Let's take a closer look at a very few ways Search Console might be able to help you out. One way is through a search analytics report. This can help you answer a few important questions like which searches brings people to your site and to tell you when searchers click on your links to there. So they can even let you know which other site links to yours. Why is this important to you? Well, the search analytics report shows lots of things including the most common searches bringing people to your site. Ideally, you did see words and phrases relevant to your business like yoga center Chennai, yoga center near me or yoga instructor in Chennai. If you review the report and see unrelated or irrelevant words and phrases, it's a hint that the digital marketing you need to look out. So text on your website needs some attention. Another thing to look for is the number of clicks. You will want to know how often your site appears but gets no clicks. That's a sign your content does not match what people are looking for. The links to your site report shows website that you are linked to your site. Think of these as referrals. The list should include websites relevant to yoga. Okay? So, more and more people use mobile device to access the internet. So while you are in Google Search Console, you should also check out the mobile usability report. This will point out pages on your site that don't work well on the mobile pages, which you can then fix to improve your site performance when people search on mobile phones. There are two more really handy features within Search Console to know about: crawl reports and Google search index reports actually. So crawl reports let you monitor whether Google can visit your web pages. This is important because if Google can't access your web pages, your content can't be included in Google search results. The Google index reports show what information Google recorded about your site and tells you if your pages are accessible. It's easy to get started with Search Console. Go to www.google.com/webmasters, which is the basic tool for Search Console. Once signed in, add your website and complete the verification to prove you own the website. Now Search Console can generate reports for your site for free. It might be a few days before you see useful information because it must first gather all the process the data. If you see a no data yet message, check back later. Now that's your site set up in Google Search Console, you can use the reports to figure out how to improve your presence on Google immediately. Using these reports, you can make changes to help Google better understand your pages and as a result, make your website perform better to you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.